the great I am, immovable one, omnipotent, powerful, awesome Lord, victorious warrior, commanding King of Kings, mighty conqueror, and the only time I ever saw him run was when he ran to me. He took me in his heart, held my hand to his chest, said, "My son, come home again." Lifted my face, wiped the tears from my eyes, with forgiveness in his voice. He said, "Son, you know I still love you." He called me by surprise with God the world. That day I left home, I knew I broke in his heart, and I wondered then if everything could ever be. Then one night I remember his love for me, and down the dusty road I heard I could see it was the only time, the only time I ever knew what would he run to me. He took me in his heart, held my hand to his chest, said, "My son, come home again." Lifted my face with the tears from my eyes, with forgiveness in his voice. He said, "Son, do you know I still love you?" It caught me by surprise. We got that day I left home, I knew I broke in his heart, and I wondered then if everything could ever be. Then one night I remember his love for me, and down that dusty road I heard I could see it was the only time, the only time I ever saw him run. I saw him run to me. He took me aside, held my head to his chest, said, "My son, come home again." Lifted my face, wiped the tears from my eyes, with forgiveness in his voice. He said, "Son, do you know I still love you?" I saw him run to me. He took me in his arms, held my head to his chest, said, "My son, come home again." Lifted my face, wiped the tears from my eyes, with forgiveness in his voice. He said, "Son, do you know I still love you?" I saw him run to me. He took me aside, held my head to his chest, said, "My son, come home again." Lifted my face, wiped the tears from my eyes, with forgiveness in his voice. He
Itaas natin ang mga kamay na pinamamahal. Purihin natin ang pinamagabay ng pinamamahal ng Panginoon. Lahat tayo na kailangan ng kanyang napakatamis na presensya. Huwag natin hayaan kung minamahal at natapos sa tuwan. Hindi natin maramdaman ang kanyang napakatamis sa presensya. Hallelujah, hallelujah.
I'm so down to
Yes, Lord.
I feel like to
Mercy upon the
want
Jesus.
the Holy
Forgive our sins and our righteousness, Lord.
The only time I ever saw him was when he want to me.
Yes, Lord.
He took me my head to his chest, and my son got home again. Wipe the tears from my eyes, with forgiveness and again. Is it not? They know I still love you. I show you why.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much.
Turn my head to his head.
Finish you, finish you.
Home again, lifted my face, wiped the tears from my eyes, with forgiveness in his voice. He said, son, do you know I still love you? I know you want to me. He took me in his arms, held my head to his chest, said, home again, lifted my face, wiped the tears from my eyes, with forgiveness in his voice. He said, son, do you know I still love you? I saw him right to me, he took me in his arms, and my head to his chest, said, my son, come home again, lifted my face, wiped the tears from my eyes, with forgiveness in his voice. He said, son, do you know I still love you? He called me back, said,